you're experiencing audio desync issues in Overwatch 2, this guide will help you troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Follow these steps to ensure your audio is in sync with the gameplay. Step 1. Check audio settings. Go to the game's audio settings and ensure that the audio output device is correctly selected. Make sure the volume levels are balanced and that any audio enhancements are disabled. Step 2. Update audio drivers. Visit the website of your audio device manufacturer and download the latest drivers. Installing updated drivers can resolve compatibility issues that may cause audio desync. Step 3. Adjust in-game settings. Lower the graphics settings within the game. Sometimes high graphics settings can cause performance issues, leading to audio desync. Find a balance that maintains good visuals without compromising performance. Step 4. Verify game files. If you're playing on a platform like Battle.net, use the option to scan and repair the game files. This process will fix any corrupted files that might be affecting audio performance. Step 5. Restart your system. After making changes, restart your computer. This can help clear any temporary glitches and ensure that all settings take effect properly. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve audio desync issues in Overwatch 2. If problems persist, consider reaching out to support forums or the game's customer service for further assistance.